What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Profit Choice. So recently, the OPR has been increasing a lot. There's this audience who is actually wondering whether the increase in OPR, right? So because you increase your installment, the increase in loan amount, right? Whether his MRTA, MRTT still covers him with this increase, or he needs to buy a new policy, top-up policy for the MRTA, MRTT. Here's the answer. The answer is no. Why no? Because when you sign up for insurance policy at the start, when you buy MRT, MRTT, is for the principal. It's not including the interest. Example, 500,000 for 30 years. So you agree with the insurance company, 500,000 for 30 years. You just finance it into your loan. That's it. Okay? So when anything happens to the policy, the policy holder, okay, the insurance company will refer to the policy that they issued to you. Let's just say 10th year. Let's just say 10th year, we cover only 450,000. And your loan also left 450,000, correct? Example, you will be paid off. You will be considered paid off. All the interest are this, that is the bank, not the insurance company, okay? The part here is that you need to remember is that the bank is the one that is charging the interest, okay? But the insurance company is the one that covering the principal. When you buy insurance, MRTA, MRTT from the bank, yes, it's a different company, an insurance company that will cover the principal of that loan. So it does not affect. If let's just say OPR increase, your interest increase, your total interest will increase, right? Because your installment increase, your interest also increase, but it will not affect the principal that is covered as per agreed earlier with the insurance company. Okay, I hope that clarifies. So bottom line, if the OPR increase and your installment increase, you do not need an extra MRTA. You do not need extra MRTA. Okay, remember that. I think that's all for me. So if you have any more questions, can leave down at the box down below. You've subscribed to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.